Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Xiaomi Mix Flip. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now you have to select this application and click install. Now click open and then you have to click agree and continue. And now you have to close this ad. Now click allow and click consent. Then you have to click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad, and as you can see, now I'm connected to VPN in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.